Okay, hello again. We're still working on the Lennox model number SL280UH135V60D-03. It's in the title. So I already made videos how to remove the motor, the wheel, put it back. Now I'm going to show you briefly how to install or how to slide the housing into place, okay? So basically, as you see, I'm gonna show you closer. These edges in here, these lips, they have like a groove, like a drawer design. You have to slide it in, okay? So I'm gonna show you how, I'm gonna put it there, I'm gonna bring the phone exactly what it is, okay? Now remember, when you put it in, you have to push it all the way till the screw, there are two screws here, they have to match perfectly in the hole. Okay, so stay with me for a minute. So this goes like this. Okay, I will show you in a minute how it is. Hopefully it's gonna make sense. So if you look from this side, I don't know if you can see the groove, right? You see that groove? So that other one goes in it and it will slide. It's another groove here, you see that? So you have to match it perfectly. I hope it makes sense. And then you should be all good. Okay, I'll show you how it goes. So I have to make sure it's a little bit hard because it's better to do it with two people. But if you're only one person, it's gonna be harder. Like me. So I prefer okay, that's how it should be. Now of course it's gonna match. Make sure the screw goes perfectly in there. So it's already there. Then you put the screws and it should be all set. Okay, so that's how you can install it. Then there are screws here. You just put them. And you should be good. These are the two screws. Make sure you tighten them all the way. So otherwise the motor can make noise. Okay. Okay, now of course you have to put the wires back. There are some wires. You have the harnesses that you already removed. Remember, you put them back, and you're gonna have the control board. I already showed a video how to remove the control board, and you can put it back same way. Okay, but now I'm gonna make another video about the burners. I did tell you earlier, oh,